Welcome to SPARKies. Let's learn about logging in to the ViewSonic Whiteboard software using Microsoft in 3 minutes or less. Signing in with Microsoft will give you access to all of your OneDrive files within the Whiteboard software and more. First, open your Whiteboard software. Click the Microsoft logo in the Sign In window. Type in your email and click Next. Type in your password and click Sign In. Click Yes to stay signed in. Now that you are signed in to the Whiteboard software on your computer, it will ask you if you would like to stay logged in, meaning it will auto sign you in when you open the Whiteboard next. Click Yes to do this. Congratulations, you are fully signed in to your Whiteboard software. If you would like to learn more about signing in using Microsoft on the Whiteboard software, click the link in the description or contact your digital integration specialist.